Before we start, I request you to like and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss the fun-filled videos. Also, please share the channel with friends and family. Most of the upcoming pictures have been captured purposely for this video. The credit for these clicks goes to Hamid Bala. You can check his Instagram profile by clicking on the link provided in the description section. Popularly known as the paradise on earth, Kashmir is world famous for its scenic beauty, handicrafts, snow-capped mountains, shikara sail on lakes, some exclusive spices, apples, and hospitality of people. Let's take a look on unique and famous things in Kashmir. In this video, we will be focusing only on the most famous things found there. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Kangar. Kangar is a fire pot used in winters to keep body warm. We can warm our hands and feet too with kangar. One needs to be careful while using it, as it might burn the person as well as furnishing if spilled. Samavar. Samavar is a unique vessel used to make noon chai and kahwa. Charcoals are heated inside samavar and we get delicious noon chai and kahwa. Ferran. Ferran is a garment worn by males and females to protect oneself from harsh winters of Kashmir. It's a loose, heavy, and full upper garment usually made of wool. Hammam is a room in which thick, hand hewn rectangle slabs of limestone are laid over a hollowed out floor. Firewood is placed in this hollowed floor through a small iron door. It's a Mughal innovation which still remains a place of comfort in cold and freezing days. Kashmiri Neelam. Kashmir blue sapphire is the finest variety of blue sapphire, highly popular due to its true blue hue and velvety texture. It is considered as the best and rarest in the world. Sabzi Bazaar, famously known as floating market, is an unorganized market where individual sellers gather in the center of the lake in Shikara and sell throughout the day, starting early morning. It's the second largest wholesale market in the world, the first being the one in Vietnam's Mekong Delta. Doon Hachanakash. It's famously known as walnut wood carving. Earlier carving was mainly done on walls, doors, pillars of shrine, mosques, and on royal buildings. With the passing time, we got to see various types of furniture, different designs of boxes, trays, jewelry boxes, photo frame, vases, decoration pieces becoming common in market. One of the most popular wood carving design is Khatamband, which is mostly done to adorn ceilings and walls. Paper Mashi Nakash. It's primarily based on paper pulp and is richly decorated, colorful artifact. Common themes that appear on Kashmiri paper mashi products include flowers, box patterns, jungle motifs, and Kashmiri symbols like almonds and the chinar, a five-pointed leaf. Namd, the gub. Namd is a form of matting. They are made from wool by practice of felting the wool rather than weaving it. The felted carpets are predominantly made of pure wool. Namd is usually a sandwich of many layers of wool flattened over each other. After a layer is spread, it's sprinkled homogeneously with water and pressed with a tool known as pinjra, woven willow wicker. Then they are embroidered with colorful thread by Kashmiri Ari embroidery technique. Gab are the colorful rugs crafted out of old woolen blankets and loyas. The old blanket pieces are dyed in colors and attached together with a cotton backing. These joint pieces are then embroidered with different patterns. That's all for today's session. See you soon in the next episode.